All right, I'm here in Paris, Texas at the, I guess it's called the Love Civic Center. And this is their little Eiffel Tower with the obligatory Texas style cowboy hat. Well, it's definitely smaller than the real Eiffel Tower, but it smells better than the area around the actual Eiffel Tower, so that's a plus. They have this really nice memorial, like a memorial park, I guess, next door. There's not many people here, obviously. I think those are employees of the Civic Center. I find it odd that this officer has been camping out here for a while. I'm not sure what crime he's investigating. But good enough for government work, right? So yeah, this is really nice. Beautiful. Very nicely done. Excuse me. Texas Revolution. You know, I don't know much about that. I need to know more about these things like the Spanish-American War. Don't know much about it. I know that it was a thing, but don't know much about it. I bet they're going to put an airplane or a helicopter up on this pedestal thingy. I bet they're going to have something up there. It's a pretty mint condition army truck. That's in really good shape. This looks like it must be not very old. Anyway, nice little place to stop if you're in Paris, Texas, which you won't be because there's no reason to be here. Anyway, thought I'd check it out.